Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing another unboxing video. So today we're going to be unboxing Ferrari Challenge on the PlayStation 2. So yeah, we will be doing that. Without wasting any time, shall we begin? Yes. Alrighty. Um Alright, and ladies and gentlemen, here it is. It's Ferrari Challenge on the PlayStation 2. Look at that. I remember playing this game on PlayStation 3, but I used to get so mad at this game. But now that I have it again, I actually would rather go back to playing this game and then start reliving the memories I used to have with this. So, I used to have this on PS3, but I gave it away. But I did give it away because I don't play it anymore. You know? So, of course, we're gonna get this open in no time. Kind of gets hard to open anyway. Hold on. Damn it. Man, this is actually really hard to open. Oh, so we had to open it from the top, okay. Alright, looks like we almost got it open, but now we just gotta... There we go. Alright, check it out. It's Ferrari Challenge on the PlayStation 2. And it's made from the official game from System 3 and Activision. And this was from the Utendix, Ferrari's official licensed product. So all I could do is just relive the moments and have fun with this again. Which this leaves the competition standing official PlayStation magazine from the UK. Great. The most impressive graphics. Intuitive, I don't know what that is. Gameplay and advanced AI of any racing title from Game Informer. Nice. We can unlock and race over 50 Ferrari cars from vintage legends to the FXX. Nice. This was from the PlayStation 3 computer entertainment system screens. See that? It was pretty cool. All 3D car model Modeling over screen and approved by Ferrari. Nice. Ultra realistic crash damage and incredible weather effects. Pretty great. Race on world famous tracks from Infineon to Monza. Awesome. Life like AI adapts to your racing strategy and style. That's pretty great. That's pretty great. So open that up. And here's the disc to this game. And the number one thing, manual. Take a look at the manual real quick. That's pretty great. So we could steer for the analog, X and R2. We could accelerate, brake and reverse, either square or L2. Rear view mirror, nice. Handbrake, nice. So we have all that. Anyway, that's gonna do it, y'all. But wait. There it is. I used to have it on PS3, but now I don't have it anymore. It's kind of sad to see it leave. But anyway, y'all, that's Ferrari Challenge. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Be sure to turn on those post notifications for more content. That's going to do it, y'all. Alejandro, signing out.